What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video today. So I'll put the link down below on where I purchased. It is a gloss black painted side skirt. I unboxed it for you guys. You just kind of sort of seen this came in it. Using this eBay 3M double-sided tape, I've learned that it kind of doesn't work a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my own, and it comes with some screws that you tap in to the actual side skirt. Now, to be honest, I do love looks and show and stance like that, but the M340, let's be real, probably not going to end up that way. Going for more of like a power setup. I have looked at front lips, have looked at rear diffusers, side skirts, the whole nine. I'm going to be improving the outside of the car, but first we're going to start with the side skirts. One of my rocker panel things took a lot of damage. At the end of the day, I'll be 100% honest with you, it's going to get replaced. It's just an excuse or reason to pick up this gloss black side skirt. It actually stops a little bit short in the front, so I'll show you some pictures of how it should be mocked up. I'm just assuming that it does not go the full length is because the new BMWs come equipped with this shadow carpet, or this lit carpet. It's an LED which has a projection of a carpet to give you the impression of you getting like the red carpet as you're approaching and entering your BMW. So in order to not block that, the side skirts cannot be the length of the whole bottom of the car. Casually, just cars on the highway, boy. Alright, I didn't think there'd be as many people out here, especially with all the cars and like carnage. I've seen a lot of people probably tending to, like, you know, their houses and stuff, a lot of flood going on. So I didn't think there'd be a lot of people outside. If you look right here, you can see a little scraping mark, and it took a little chunk out of the plastic. Well, put this on the edge. Where's the edge at? Right there? Mm-hmm. That's the edge. Wait. Yeah. You sure? Yeah. This room. I shouldn't be lower.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you take a catalyst converter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what they needed with the water shit, though. That should have been floating.
They needed what?
That's what they needed with the water. You know buggies float, right?
Buggies float?
Yeah.
So if it float and the tires don't touch the ground.
Yeah, I don't know about that. That shit not moving.
You gonna help me under here real quick? Oh, let me open the door for the light. Oh.
Where did they get that from? Trunks, blackout grill, blackout mirror caps.
I think it's good though. It don't need more than 3. It's not weighted. It's not going anywhere. I just put 3 on. You hear me?
Extra.
Hold on. But what you think though?
Yeah, let's do it. But you gotta put one more on.
For what?
You drive fast.
I drive fast, but screws are screws. But the jack. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, fuck, my bad. 1, 2, 3.
You got the air shocks. With that Camaro on the side of the road, bro. It looked like that one. Fire. Yeah. Like brand new.
You like Camaros, bro, like that?
No, I'm just saying it was free, so I just liked it. It was free.
What they say, comida? Comida? What's food in Spanish? Comida?
Yeah.
That Camaro, comida.
I'm hungry.
You wipe the other side too.
Down, wipe it down. Shoulders, chest, head. Woo.
Yo, people out here digging their cars out the water. We out here installing side
That's what I said.
Kind of hard. This ain't even real. This ain't even 3M. I told myself and I told my viewers I was gonna get some legit stuff. I lied, yo. I be lying a lot.
Got the screws though.
You heard me?
The screws are supporting you.
I be lying a lot, yo. I be doing stuff last minute. I be like, yeah, I'm gonna fix this. I don't fix it.
That's why you got that salt with it too.
Huh?
I was not telling people that salt with it.
Yeah, yo, that's what you do. I don't got it in me to tap check my car. If I had like 22 interest, like 22% interest rate, like some of these people be having that, bro. Some people be saying 20%. Yo, my own cousin was paying like 22% on his BMW one time, bro. 19% or something like that.
See, that's the thing,
bro. Like,
I don't look at the interest rate. I just look at the payment.
Not, but I look at the interest rate, bro. Hell no. What do you think I'm cheap, bro? I look at the interest rate.
If you finance, I'll leave.
Yeah.
I just have a number in my head, and if it's close to that number, then I'll stick with it.
Yeah, that's a little different.
Because I was watching a guy that does a leasing. He said what you're supposed to do is put down 0 and pay 1% a month for the car.
I don't know. I don't really know too much about all that, but
that's what they said. That's what they said. That's the rule of thumb. Put 0 down and pay once a month.
Don't get into payments or anything that you can't afford that you would have to want to sink your car. Now, whether you do it or not, that's a different story. Because I mean, that's just your life. I don't care. I'm not knocking it. But don't put yourself in that situation. Or don't fall for peer pressure, lose those friends, realize you don't even need the car because you had the friends because you had the car, and now you lose the car and you ain't got no friends. You get what I'm saying?
You drive a BMW in the rain, you gotta add shit now.
You need aerodynamics.
Whoa, yo, not for
You need aerodynamics.
You must have weeds. He must have weeds with that 3M.
That shit not even 3M. That shit bootleg. It's eBay, bro. It's bootleg.
I got 3M in the car if you want it.
So good, it's too late.
He's like, I don't want one side good better than the other.
Yeah, word. Nah,
I'm about to say, I got the
yo, Lonnie trying to make sure it's even in the back. David up the other
Why
side.
like, see? Hold on.
You know what I'm saying? Like, make sure it's like at the same length. Like, I don't want it to be back here, you feel me? And I don't want it to be up here. Like, make sure it's like flush to the bottom. The burbles. Yo, that was, damn, this one held on a lot better.
Yo, why you have to skirt?
Yeah, that's what he said. That's what he said.
Yo, yeah, it got
That's
this thing like it's supposed to have like
leave it alone. That's
you have a light right here, and it'll give you like an illusion of a carpet. So they so they don't.
Supervisor Steven, hold up.
Y'all heard that? The extra creak.
I heard a creak.
Yeah, me too. Yo,
stop kicking this shit.
You got the M340, huh?
Bro, it's
his windows down.
Yeah, electrical issue.
Yo, nah.
He had electrical issues.
Yo, you remember my ex-Benz? My ex-Benz? Bro, I flooded that shit in an accident. Yo, you know how the sunroof, she had the whole panoramic joint, right? The whole sunroof I left open, because you know how you park. I parked in the street because I was about to leave and go back outside. But I fell asleep and I had to work like 4 or 5 in the morning. I fell asleep with it open. It poured, bro. I woke up, she had black seats. The seats was blue. When I opened the door, I'm like, oh, like, as soon as, yo, I'm like, why is the window, why the sunroof open? Yo, I took every rag thing. I went to work, tried to use the vacuum, bro. Everything out.
You gotta get some rice. You gotta get some rice.
So I got I got it out. I got it out enough. Like the seats kind of like stopped turning blue. Like they kind of was going black again. Everything was cool. The floor was a little soaked up. So I told her, I'm like, yeah, I just took it for a wash and they shampooed the inside. That's why it's a little moist.
Shit. What about the screen and everything else?
Nah, everything's working fine. The windows was acting up, but just a little bit, right? So boom. So months later, you know, we broke up, crashed, like, she crashed all her cars. It's like, yo, thank God it got totaled. She's like, cause it just started acting funny, bro. Like, it's like, I had bad electrical issues. I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, bro. It just started acting up. It wouldn't go in park. It wouldn't go in drive. I'm like,
go in park.
Man, that's crazy. But then I'm not that up. So I was like, all right, bro. Yeah, I left the sunroof open that one day. Yo, I thought it was fixed. I didn't know.
I thought it was fixed. He said it dried out so it works now.
You think you had a bad day?
At that point, I get some plastic bags, man.
All right, speed test. Somebody gotta go on the highway and do a $160 real quick.
Yeah, all right. Well,
I
all
just
those
don't feel
extra
like
cars
going
on the
that
road?
fast. Huh?
There's all those cars on the road?
Word. Yo, you smack them boys.
You just leave it. You just leave it.
Leave it, bro. I'm leaving myself. You smack a parked car at 160 in the middle of the highway? You're not walking anywhere, bro.
That's true.
You're getting dragged out somewhere.
Officer.
There, yo. You look nice right there.
Yeah,
Nigga,
yo,
lying.
I just gotta go lie. I think the fuck got me up here too.
This is the finished product right here. This is the final product right here. Got the side skirts on. Looking nice. I actually prefer how it looks now when it don't go all the way up to the top. Here, but per different spot, we got the E30 right over here. Nice. But yeah, here we go. This is it right here for you guys. You can tell it completely hides the little scar and hole in the bottom. So I'm happy about that. I'll get the replacement when I get it. Put in the comments below what you guys think I should do. Should I keep the carbon trunk lip? Because it looks really nice. I kind of like the way it looks now. Keep the carbon, dual carbon rear diffuser, or black out the diffuser, black out the trunk lip, keep the black side skirts. Because if I do keep carbon and do the diffuser, I'm gonna just scrap these side skirts and get carbon ones. I'd like the black too. It's just hard to decide. I'm not gonna do mismatch though, kind of like the setup I got going on. So, yeah, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Carbon or black? This is already blacked out too. You tell the grills are open, see? And the car needs to breathe, the grills are open. You go over here, there's a nice blue over here too. This is auto flex as well. Obviously by my guy Phil from Pro Dipper. He did this. He did this a while ago, and you can still see the paint is looking crazy clean. It's not even really clean right now, but this is a blue car with the black lip on it. So you see what I'm saying? It looks nice. The black grill, kind of the setup how I kind of want mine to look, you know, with the all blacked out trim. You know, they got the black wheels. Go down below. Should I do the black or should I do the carbon? Carbon looks dope. Black looks nice too. So let me know, guys. I'm probably gonna get up out of here. I gotta talk to something about Phil, checking out this other project car, and yeah, I guess something interesting for the channel. But if you guys don't know by now, if you want anything like Autoflex or Raptor, whatever like that, liquid wrap, go check out my guy Phil from Pro Dipper. He actually got a Model X over here as well that was dipped over 3 years ago, and this is kind of how it's standing up now. This is for everybody who asks, what would the car look like in the sun? You can tell, still has the sparkles. Mind you, this ain't even clean. Still got the sparkles in it. 3 years. So now in the front of these cars, all cars, they get rock chips. So how does Autoflex handle rock chips? Chip right here, no big deal. You get what I'm saying? There's one rock chip. You know, rock chips happen. You know, front clean though. You got the bugs, the eye wash off easy. You got another rock chip right here. It handles just like paint. You gotta touch up a little bit, you're good to go. Glass is what's crazy. Look at that. One long piece. Imagine if you get a chip in this windshield, how much it would cost. God. And just like that, guys, we back in the house. Chopping up this video for you guys to drop out next day, and I forgot to do an outro. So hope you guys like it. I know it's not exactly as like mod happy and like speedy fasty, but we'll get there. We will get there, guys. Okay, I haven't had the car for a year, okay, not even a year, so relax, but I think I may go fast. So Mike from So Speed, like, and hopefully you guys consider subscribing to these videos, and I'll get you back later. Peace out.